Let's learn how you can get custom sound alarm on your iPhone. So this is actually pretty simple. All thing you need to do is to go to your control center. So scroll down and open this stopwatch icon. It will open alarms section. Now you will have to click this plus sign in top right corner and then click on sound. For me, I will have to scroll up and then click on pick a song, and here it will show you library. Now you can get this music from iTunes, or you can bypass it by adding from your PC or computer here. Then when some songs appear on this library, you can just select it and select the duration and part of the song you want to be set up as your alarm, and then just click on save. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.